Take out the trim plates on both sides of the center console. Remove the screw locks on both sides of the main unit. Twist out the 4 screws on the main unit. Take out the main unit, and you can place a cloth to protect the interior when taking it out. Unplug all the plugs behind the main unit. Unscrew the 2 screws on the main unit. There are multiple buckles around the main unit to fix. Use tweezers to pry open the buckle to disassemble the main unit. Remove the 2 flat cables from the main unit motherboard. Take out the CarPlay flat cable. Connect the CarPlay flat cable to the original car motherboard. Ensure the black side is facing up and connect the flat cables properly. Connect another flat cable as well. Then connect the original car flat cable to the CarPlay flat cable. The installation of the original motherboard is completed, and the main unit is restored. Note that the CarPlay flat cable can be drawn from the main unit. Take out the CarPlay video box. Connect the flat cable of CarPlay to the video box. The back of the video box has an adhesive backing, which can be pasted on the main unit. Take out the fiber optic cable from the main line to the original car's power supply. Take out the CarPlay main line and transfer the original car fiber cable to the CarPlay main line. Then dock the original main line with the CarPlay main line. Take out the LVDS cable of CarPlay and connect it to the video box. Take out the CarPlay touchscreen cable and connect it to the video box. Pay attention to the plug label on the touch wire when connecting to prevent errors. Connect the main line of CarPlay to the original car unit. The installation of the host is complete. The CarPlay harness can be guided from the center console to the bottom panel under the cab. Restore the original main unit. Connect the plug of the CarPlay harness to the box. Connect an external microphone. The box can be placed in the space under the cab. Note, if the module light is not on, you need to connect the fuse to the fuse and connect the other end with the CarPlay mainline. Enter the media interface in the original car system, and select AUX. Quickly short press the double flash button to switch the CarPlay system. Enter the Bluetooth interface in the CarPlay system, and you can view the Bluetooth name and other information. The phone enters the settings interface and turns on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Search for and connect CarPlay Bluetooth. To pair, tap Allow and connect to CarPlay. If the connection is successful, you can enjoy wireless CarPlay.